The 2011 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, keyless entry, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system, rear defrost, universal garage door opener. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.